Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Teamviewer Remote Control. But before that, if you don't know Teamviewer, it is a popular remote access and remote control software that allows users to connect to and control another computer or device over the internet, in which it is commonly used for remote technical support, online meetings, file transfers, and desktop sharing. Now to download TeamViewer, all you need to do is to search on Google TeamViewer and just click the first link that come up. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page of teamviewer.com. And to download TeamViewer, you could click this pricing option that will show you a variety of pricing plan that you can avail. We have here for enterprise, for teams, and also for single users. And it will show you the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. But if you want to download TeamViewer for free, all you need to do is to click this try now for free button below here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and below it will show you other options such as web client, desktop client, for business trial, and many more. But just proceed by clicking this download desktop client button below. And from here, it will show you that you can download TeamViewer for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, iOS, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to choose Windows, in which upon clicking on it, below here, it will show you this TeamViewer Quick Support, TeamViewer Full Client, TeamViewer Host, and many more. And I'm going to choose the first one, TeamViewer Quick Support, and just click this download 32-bit or 64-bit. And after clicking on it, it will show you under this download that TeamViewer Quick Support has now downloading. And all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully downloaded and proceed to install the application, in which after installing the TeamViewer application, it will look like this. And that means you have now successfully downloaded and installed the application of TeamViewer. So that is just basically how you can download TeamViewer Remote Control. If you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.